Picture this. Your old light bulb flickers out, and suddenly the entire ceiling above you comes alive. Panels shift, colors bloom, and a radiant glow transforms your space. Why settle for a bulb when your whole ceiling can think? Today we're exploring the future of lighting, where your room isn't just lit, it's responsive to your mood and needs. Welcome to a world where the ceiling above you is, for the first time, truly intelligent. Traditional lighting. Think of it. One lonely bulb, one harsh spot, and a world of compromise. It's the kind of light that leaves you squinting, dodging glare, and wondering why your favorite corner always feels so gloomy. Shadows stretch across the room, making spaces feel smaller, colder, and less inviting. It's a relic from a time when lighting was about function, not feeling. In a world that's racing forward with innovation, why are we still settling for lighting that belongs in the past? The truth is, our lives have changed, our spaces have evolved, and our expectations are higher than ever. It's time for an upgrade. A lighting revolution. Point lighting might get the job done, but it's indifferent to your mood, your activities, or the atmosphere you want to create. It's a one-note solution in a world that craves nuance and flexibility. Want cozy? You're left with deep, unwelcoming shadows. Want bright? Prepare for blinding glare that washes out every detail. There's no middle ground, no subtlety, just extremes that never quite feel right. It's a blunt tool for a world that's anything but simple. Our lives are layered, our needs are dynamic, and our spaces should reflect that complexity. But what if light could do more? What if it could flow, wrap, and breathe, filling your space like the sky at dawn, soft and ever-changing? Imagine a light that adapts to you, not the other way around. Picture a ceiling that glows gently, casting no hard shadows, no harsh transitions, just a seamless wash of light that creates pure atmosphere. It's not just about seeing, it's about feeling. This is lighting that elevates your experience, transforming ordinary rooms into extraordinary spaces. It's about setting a mood, highlighting what matters, and making every moment feel intentional. The way light fills a space can shift your mood, sharpen your focus, or help you unwind. It can energize a morning, soothe an evening, or set the perfect backdrop for gathering with friends. Diffused dynamic light opens up possibilities. It makes rooms feel larger, more welcoming, and infinitely adaptable to whatever life throws your way. We're not just swapping out bulbs, we're reimagining what a room can be. Lighting becomes an experience, not just a necessity. Think of a sunset. The sky isn't a single point of light, it's an immersive environment, a living canvas of color and emotion that changes every minute. That's the inspiration behind intelligent ceilings, technology that brings the beauty and complexity of nature indoors, making every day feel a little more magical. With sensors, smart materials, and adaptive controls, ceilings are no longer an afterthought. They're the main event, shaping how we live, work, and connect. These ceilings respond to you, your needs, your preferences, your vibe. No more one-size-fits-all lighting. Every moment, every activity, every mood gets its own perfect light. This isn't science fiction. Prototypes and real-world installations are already transforming homes and redefining what's possible. The death of point lighting isn't just an end, it's an evolution. It's about bringing harmony, comfort, and inspiration into every space we inhabit. The era of the passive ceiling is over. Now, your ceiling is alive, responsive, and ready to transform your world. Welcome to the age of atmosphere, where light isn't just seen, it's felt, and every space becomes a canvas for living beautifully. Let's talk tech. OLED, or organic light-emitting diodes, scaled up to cover your entire ceiling. Imagine walking into a room where the ceiling itself glows with a soft, customizable light, transforming the entire atmosphere. OLED technology, once reserved for high-end TVs and smartphones, now redefines how we experience lighting in our homes. No bulbs, no fixtures, just a seamless, even glow that's gentle on your eyes. The light is perfectly diffused, eliminating harsh shadows and creating a calming, inviting environment. It's like having daylight on demand, tailored exactly to your preferences. These ultra-thin panels are programmable, so your ceiling becomes a canvas for light and color. With a tap on your phone or a voice command, you can shift from energizing cool whites in the morning to soothing warm tones at night, or even set dynamic color scenes for special occasions. Want a sunrise to wake you up? A soft amber glow at night? It's all possible. Simulate natural rhythms to support your sleep cycle, or create a gentle transition from day to evening, all with the touch of a button. Each section can be controlled independently, brighter over your desk, relaxing over your reading nook. Whether you're working, reading, or entertaining, you can fine-tune the lighting in every corner to suit your needs, maximizing comfort and productivity. OLED ceilings use less power, last longer, and eliminate the need for ugly fixtures. Their energy efficiency means lower bills and a smaller carbon footprint, while their slim profile keeps your space looking clean and modern. Imagine clouds drifting overhead, or light rippling as you walk. Your ceiling adapts to your mood and schedule. Set playful animations for kids, calming patterns for relaxation, or sync the lighting to your favorite music for an immersive experience. Say goodbye to the old bulb and hello to a living, breathing ceiling. With programmable OLED panels, your ceiling becomes more than just a surface. It's an integral part of your home's personality, ready to adapt and inspire every day. Now, imagine a ceiling that moves. Kinetic light panels. These aren't just ordinary lights, they're a fusion of art, technology, and architecture, transforming your ceiling into a living, breathing part of your home. These modular panels shift, ripple, and morph in real time, responding to your activities and mood. Whether you're relaxing, working, or entertaining, the panels adapt their movement and light to suit the moment, creating an atmosphere that's always in tune with you. Hosting a dinner? The panels ripple like waves, adding a sense of drama and elegance to your gatherings. They can even be programmed to match the rhythm of music, making every event feel immersive and unforgettable. Need focus? They align for a gentle spotlight, creating the perfect environment for productivity. The panels can adjust their brightness and position to reduce glare and eye strain, making your workspace more comfortable and efficient. Each panel is like a tiny robot, moving independently or in sync, creating a ceiling that feels alive. The choreography of light and motion above you is endlessly customizable, limited only by your imagination. Interact with a clap or a wave. Your ceiling responds instantly. With gesture controls and smart sensors, you can change the mood or lighting with a simple movement, making your space feel truly interactive and futuristic. Beyond the wow factor, Kinetic ceilings improve acoustics, create privacy, and even help with ventilation. The panels can subtly shift to absorb sound, reduce echoes, or open up to let fresh air circulate, enhancing comfort and well-being. One moment it's calm, the next, it's a kinetic sculpture. The ceiling can transform from a serene, minimalist surface to a dynamic, animated centerpiece, reflecting your mood or the time of day. This is more than smart lighting. It's architecture that listens and responds. It's a new way to experience your home, where the environment adapts to you, not the other way around. The ceiling isn't just above you, it's with you, moving and changing as you do, making every moment at home feel extraordinary. Light shapes our body's rhythms, but artificial lighting often throws us off. Intelligent ceilings recreate natural sunlight patterns, adjusting color and brightness throughout the day. Morning brings cool, energizing light. Evening shifts to a warm, calming glow. This isn't just comfort, it's health. Studies show circadian lighting boosts mood, focus, and sleep. Your ceiling learns your schedule, adapting to your needs. No harsh alarms, just gentle transitions. Whether you work nights or travel, your ceiling helps reset your internal clock. It's personalized, science-backed lighting that supports your well-being. The solution to feeling tired or unfocused might be right above your head. Lighting can change how a room feels. Enter geometric light wells, These architectural features use shapes and depth to make rooms feel bigger and more immersive. Each well can be individually lit, colored, or dimmed, creating movement and flow. The ceiling appears higher, the room more open, a subtle illusion that transforms your space. Light wells can also reduce noise, hide vents, or house speakers. Modular panels and smart controls make this tech accessible, even for retrofits. Lighting isn't just about brightness, it's about space, emotion, and experience. With geometric light wells, your ceiling becomes a window to endless possibilities. Now for the fun, full RGB ceiling control, millions of colors, instant transformations, and total customization at your fingertips. Throw a party with pulsing colors, set a cinematic mood for movie night, or energize your workspace. Control it all with apps, voice, or gestures. Match your mood, your playlist, or even the weather. The ceiling sets the tone for your entire experience. RGB control also enhances accessibility and creativity for everyone. The tech is advanced, but for you, it's pure magic. Your ceiling becomes your canvas, your mood ring, your personal light show. The ultimate evolution, architectural glow systems, where light and architecture merge. Light is built into walls, ceilings, even floors, no visible sources, just seamless illumination. Advanced materials like translucent concrete and fiber optics create surfaces that light up on demand. The effect is magical. Spaces feel alive, unified, and immersive. Integrated lighting improves efficiency, reduces clutter, and enhances safety. Hallways light up as you walk, stairs glow underfoot, and the architecture adapts to your needs. Light becomes a fundamental part of design, guiding mood and movement. With architectural glow systems, you're living inside a work of art. So, would you replace your lights with an intelligent ceiling? It's more than a gadget. It's a new way to live, work, and feel at home. Whether you want a serene morning or a pulsing dance floor, the power is overhead. The future of lighting is here, and you get to be part of it. Subscribe for more ideas. Your next ceiling could be the smartest thing in your home.